Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the massive love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally session never ends. See, that takes me to everything that is happening right now. Do you people know about this lawyer that is in Nigeria that is having a taste of it from the federal government of Nigeria? That is Dele Farotimi. I know that a lot of us have been following the story, but believe me, a lot is happening that is even more than the one that has happened to him. So he has been up and down in the courtroom and so many other things. But today we find out that he wrote a book about the justice system of Nigeria. The Nigeria and its criminal justice system. That is the title of the book. Now, sit back. Make sure you share this video and I'll be right back. Now, before we watch what they went to do in the UK, we want to hear about a little bit of what happened. Because he wrote a book also about the Nigeria and its criminal justice system. Do you know that his bail condition has been denied? The case has been adjourned to 20th of December 2024. Moreover, the condition they gave to him is to pay 50 million naira and so many other things attached to the bail condition. Now, a lot is happening that people did not really find it so easy. As I'm talking to you, this book has been removed from the market. The federal government of Nigeria said they don't want to have anything to do with this book. This book needs to be banned. They don't want people to buy it. They don't want anything to happen. They don't want anything to concern this book, and this book has been removed. Now, do you really think that removing this book is the author or the closure of what people think about the justice system in Nigeria? The fact that they removed this book from the market does not mean that this book will not be on sales anymore. According to a report, said that the book is ranking 5-star in Amazon. So this book has gone viral. A lot of people have this book and they will start duplicating this book to other people because a lot of people now really want to read or want to know about what is in this book. Before now, a lot of people did not even know that this book exists. But based on the fact that this thing happened, he was arrested and they refused to grant him bail. They said, what is the problem? They said he insult one of the Baba. This is the Baba. And according to the reports also, while these things are going on, Peter Obi and some of the delegates went to Baba office to plead on behalf of Dele. And a lot of Nigerians did not really find it funny. They say, why did Peter Obi go and plead on behalf of Dele? That when you plead with these people, they will start doing more havoc. Anyways, I'm just trying to keep you updated. Now, let us see the protest they went to hold in UK, and I'll be right back.
The voice you are hearing is the voice of no other person than the voice of Olawale Adebayo Bakare, aka Mandate. And with me here today are the members of the Take It Back movement and other concerns Nigerians. We are here today to lend our voice against the illegal abduction of the person of Mr. Dele Farotimi, a respected lawyer and activist in Nigeria. Mr. Dele Farotimi exposed the rot and the injustice in the Nigerian judiciary in his book titled The Nigerian and its Criminal Justice System, where he exposed that an alumnus of this institution, the King's College, the person of Afe BABALOBA, corrupts the Nigerian judiciary to enrich himself by defending the most corrupt and the most horrible individual in Nigeria. This man, as we have all known, donated £10 million to this institution, the King's College.
10 million pounds.
10 million pounds.
Lawful money.
This is the proceed and the money that was gotten illegally
Illegal money
from corrupt politicians.
Illegal money.
Nigerians, we are here today
College.
to appeal to King's College that Afe Babalola is a corrupt man. Am I lying?
No.
I repeat.
It's confirmed.
Afe Babalola, who donated how much? 10 million pounds. To who?
To King's College.
He's a corrupt man. And we do not want him to stain the long-standing reputation of King's College. For this reason, we have come to...
No. We are here. Are you the boss?
No, just you can pass.
You just showing this thing to your
To the world. Yeah, this is a corrupt...
employee. This guy donated 10 million pounds to
Pounds, corrupt proceed.
money.
Corrupt money. So our demand...
Somebody will tell them.
Our demand is very simple. Our demand is that we do not want
I was disappointed.
any fraudulent, any stringent, any onerous bail condition. Bail are meant for criminals. Bail are meant for people who have committed offences. Dele Farotimi has only spoken truth to power, and thereby he has committed no offence. On this note, I want to demand for an immediate and unconditional release of Dele Farotimi. That's one. Secondly, we want an immediate investigation into the person of Mr. Afe Babalola. And third, we want immediate reform of the Nigerian judiciary. And we want this institution, the King's College, to issue a loud statement in no mistaken word that they dissociate themselves from the dirty antics and dirty activities of Mr. Afe Babalola. These are our very simple, full and concise demand. On this note, I will end by saying, a luta continua.
Victoria Sata.
A luta continua.
Victoria Sata.
A luta continua. Victoria
Sata.
Amandla, away to revolution now. Solely. So, fellow Nigerians, we are supposed to be meeting the dean of this faculty of law school today, but we have been told just now that the man has run away. For this reason, I'm going to be inviting Mrs. Ngozi, who is the CEO of Injustice is Real, to come and give us feedback on our correspondence with the Dixon Spoon Law School, where Afe Babalola is reportedly supposed to be the alumni of. So please, can you?
Somebody needs to come and see us.
Can you tell
Hello,
us?
everyone.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. We're here to see the Dean of the Faculty of Law. We have attempted to see the Dean of the Faculty to complain, or at least register our complaints about Afe Babalola and the incident that is ongoing in Nigeria with Dele Farotimi. We have come out, taken time to come and see them, and we will be coming back. We will be coming back.
Definitely.
To definitely see someone to register our complaints. His illegal arrest of Dele Farotimi, yes, Dele Farotimi has been bailed, but his human rights have been violated, and what we are saying here is enough is enough. It is enough. We can no longer have bullying tactics where...
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update, and I'm happy that a lot of people has come to the realization of what is happening in Nigeria, and they are here to speak up. See, justice that is not well passed to one will automatically bounce back to someone else. So it is high time a lot of people start facing reality. Now 2027 is coming, and a lot of promises are to be made. They will be forming like they are the best candidate, they are fit for the position, and at the end of the day, just a pleasure of 1-2 days, they've changed the clock. So you just have to be very careful and really know what you really want. what you really want, because you can never eat your cake and have it. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Please do well to share this video. We are happy that a lot of things are coming into reality and everybody is watching. Thank you, and see you in my other video. Bye for now.